Hi dear friends. It's a great thing to be alive, and it's an even greater thing to be a human being. It's such a wonderful gift. Sometimes we tend to forget it and not see it because of the shadows of the clouds of life, and forget about the light. But actually, when we clear these clouds in ourselves, or the noises or disturbances, we just simply look at it. It's a wonderful thing. And it's a wonderful gift. And it's really our responsibility to look after it, to look after this gift of life. And be really proud of who I am. And we don't need to be perfect. It's okay, We all have some faults, and we will always have some faults, So don't worry about it. Don't pay too much attention to it. Look at the bright side, Do the best that you can to improve your life, to improve your quality, your standards, your values. And about the rest, it's okay. It will improve. And be good friends with yourself, and be good friends with life. But it's really important that we'll be, proud of who we are, and see how we can contribute to make this world a better place for all of us. For us individually, and then for everybody else. Yeah? Clean the disturbing, unnecessary things from the past, and open our heart and our mind to the possibilities of the future. And we look after this gift of life. And I think that together we can create a wonderful world for each one of us and for all of us together. Look after this inner light. Let it shine out, so we create a greater light outside ourselves, so that we can see the way, find the right way for us. And perhaps if we can, we help others to find their way. Yeah? And together we will move hand in hand, clearing the path from the debris of the past, creating something cleaner with more hope and more friendship and more smile and kindness between us, human beings and all forms of life on this beautiful blue planet. And I believe we can do it. But we can do it if we do the work internally, and then if we do it together as human, as friends to the way. And we allow and create a better future for us, for the generation that will come. Because they're waiting, and it's our responsibility to make this world as clean and as full of light and possibilities and hope for them. They deserve the best, and we're the same. Yeah? So look after yourself. Remember to smile. Remember to say thank you for the wonderful things, for the little gift. Yeah? Don't have to be something huge or big, just for every little. Even the fact that we breathe and see and smile. Just say thank you, internally, externally. Yeah? And let's together increase and spread the light. Look after yourself. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.